Hello everybody. This is just a quick video to show the winner of the sweepstakes or contest or whatever you want to call it. I wasn't going to make a video because I knew it'd look like this, but I wanted you guys to know it was fair, so I'm going to record how I determined who the winner was. So let me record that. Okay, so here is this randomizer YouTube comment picker thing, and what I get, you put in the address over here and then filter duplicates and get the comments, and then to start the drawing we click over here and there's our winner, Susan Rifkin. Rifkin? Either way, email me your address and I'll forward it on to Kim. My email is susmandalas@gmail.com, and I'll put it in the description of this video too, so you can see it. Congratulations. Thanks for everybody that participated. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.